Say sawadika. Good girl.
Like this.
To ya. Oh.
Mommy is doing her work.
Yeah, Mommy.
Oh no, I ruined your birthday.
Oh, a cow! Hello! Look at the head! What they have in the
So-
product?
You were cheating.
Yeah, and I see some umbrella, some gazebo, some chair.
Yeah, because this table is out sunny. Our table and chairs are out sunny. It's a brand that does everything.
Wow!
What is it?
Maybe another kitchen toy for Jasper or Adeline.
Well, maybe it's a toy kitchen for you.
No idea.
Find the instructions.
Yeah. Something for garden.
Have you seen a picture of it yet?
Yeah. This one
Yeah.
is for plant.
It's a raised flower bed
Oh.
for growing plants.
Oh, thank you, darling.
You're welcome. And I bought you the soil and the seeds to grow your own vegetables.
Yay! Thank you, sweetheart.
You're welcome.
A little bit.
You happy with that?
Yeah, sure. Thank you. To be like all the set gonna be very good.
Very sad that you don't have that. And that you never will. Looks good, babe. Do you like it?
Yeah, sure.
The soil will come soon. And then you can grow all your own herbs, coriander, grappa, potatoes, carrots, Jessie. Back at the house. Yeah. Wool. Hi, Jazzy. You look Get your fingers all dirty. Oh yeah.
Just eat it.
Yeah, I love it.
Done.
Yeah. Super.
Okay. Wait for seed coming. Masih ใบโหระพา
Is that good?
Yeah for ลาบ and ต้ม
Great.
Oh that's good one. How to open it?
Loads more seeds.
All vegetable we need.
Yeah.
Lovely. Wow, that's good. Oh, quite excited about when they grow and can
I hope they do grow.
prepare for cooking.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's lovely. Thank you, darling. Ooh.
I like how Amazon wraps your presents. There's no need for me to wrap them. What herb's that? Basil.
That's it. Ooh.
A new sketchbook.
I love it.
It's a good quality one.
Yeah. Wow. Thank you, darling.
You're welcome. And then if you want to use your thing, you can like put string in between the rings and tie it, so it stays there.
It's good size.
Yeah, the one you showed me was only A4, half the size.
Lovely.
You should have an A3.
Yeah. Oh my Buddha.
New pencils.
Perfect. Love it.
Do you like them?
Yes. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Oh, what's that?
What's this one?
I can tell you what they all are from the listing. Looks like a cigarette holder.
I think for a pencil. For this one?
Don't know.
What HB? What's HB? Into HB. Wow. Jesse. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Happy birthday, my little artist and gardener. think you'll ever start drawing people?
Yeah.
So that they make quite good gifts.
Drawing the people.
Or animals, yeah. Good Jasper, he loves it.
That's very good.
Jazzy, you big old.
That's good. Then the board.
Yeah.
Professional
Oh yeah.
drawing. Yes, I do.
Sit down, Kelly. Oh, look, the balloon. You woken up, darling. Kelly, can you move the balloon? Keep going, lovely. You have a good nap, darling. You know it's Daddy's birthday. Say happy birthday, Daddy.
You see what they got from?
You seen that over there?
What's that?
Let's go look inside. We're gonna grow food in it. Grow our vegetables. That sound good? We can grow potatoes and carrots and chilies, coriander and basil. Daddy finished his birthday dinner. Yummy?
Very done.
Everybody clap, 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 clap. Everybody sing. La 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 la. Bear's now asleep. Bear's now asleep. Shh, shh, shh.
I want shoes.
Okay, should we go back and get?
Mummy, Daddy, you want to cook or
Yeah.
vegetable in Daddy's greenhouse?
I'd love to grow some vegetables with Daddy. What have you got?
Seeds.
Seeds.
Yes.
Amazing. They're going to go in here.
Oh. Oh. I see you got your bag. Right there, Mummy.
Okay. Ding, 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 ding.
Here you go, Mummy.
Oh, thank you. I've got my seed bags.
Mummy, this one is mine.
Oh, that one's yours, is it?
Yes.
So what do we have in this one? Beetroot, carrots,
Yes.
lettuce,
Yes.
radish,
Yes.
cauliflower, spring onion. What do you have in yours? Basil. Oh yeah, this one's basil, that one's coriander and onion. They're going to grow from these tiny seeds, isn't that amazing?
Kenapa
Yeah.
pinya tadi?
We need to let Daddy do it, and we're going to put in little sticks to tell them.
Daddy, can you look at it?
Thank you. Yeah.
Dum-dee-doo-dee-da.
Dum dee doo dee da. Careful, those weights on the floor. We've only got to leave them on the floor for about 3 years. Hold that one up. Show me.
Okay, darling. Which one we gonna throw first? We do that one first, the green one on your hand. Yeah, this one.
I'm
Yeah,
opening it.
yeah. Okay. Ini the pink. Okay. Nanti kita do.
Here, Mommy, this is yours.
Oh, thanks, Pocket.
โหระพาแถวนี้โหระพา
Here, this is yours.
โหระพาแถวนี้
This is yours.
โอเคค่ะ
Are you doing some planting, Adeline?
Yes, with Daddy.
Brilliant.
Okay,
Yes?
your turn.
Right. Oh no, I'll just let you do it first. Daddy needs to try and remember where he puts them. Pat them down into the soil.
Put them on the soil. With this.
พอดูลงโอเคไหน
And this. And this.
บาซิล
Basil.
โอเค
It's going to be good for our cooking.
And this. I'm gonna do it.
Yeah, for soup for ลาบ
So I hope this one grows.
for ต้มยำYeah, should be grow is and onion ไม่อยากปลูกเลยต้นหอมต้นไม่ใช่ต้นหอมหอมหัวใหญ่ ซื้อเอาก็ได้มาถูกที่นี่ไม่ได้แพงปลูกผักที่เราจะกินดีกว่า อันนี้อะไร
What's Daddy doing now, Adeline?
โอเค
Done, done, done.
เสร็จแล้ว
Is it done, Adeline?
Yeah, done, done, done.
Okay, good. When do you think they'll be ready to eat?
To eat.
Yeah.
Mommy,
How long do you think we'll have to wait, Adeline?
mommy.
เห็นไหม
Grow, little vegetables, grow.
anything? No? You help Daddy?
No.
Yeah?
No.
No, okay, darling. French bean and runner bean.
Wow, ฝรั่งเศส
What's that? Peas?
peas
Peas. Yeah. Just grow it. Have enough space.
really
Yeah.
wow
Cool, right?
yeah
No.
are they growing yet
No.
no not yet oh they're very slow aren't they
Can we eat them, Mummy?
when they're all grown yeah
What's a good idea?
very good idea
That's a good idea.
yeah
Can I?
you're full of good ideas sweetheart
Can I?
yes
Daddy, does it be back soon?
you will we're going to go and get him from school aren't we
Yes, with me, Mummy, and Daddy.
if you're awake yeah
Yeah! Oh, and it's red. And you was red too, Grandma. Yes, you are.
Speak more. Speak more.
say สวัสดีค่ะ
Motika.
ถูกกับ
Like this.
ชื่อยา
Motika.
อ๋อ
Motika. He's like the normal tissue.
I get my phone, okay?
Yeah, booking 12:30. Hello. We are back at Wellington Farm Shop, and this time I'm taking Owen because he will love it. So
Hooray.
we're here for his postponed birthday lunch. You may remember I took Adeline in the Easter holidays. Go back and watch our Easter vlog, and now we're here with Owen. Bye.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna buy a plant for the green basket.
You think, do you? Ooh. Yeah, that might be a good idea.
Want to
Get
see
my
flower
keys.
in the summer.
And what will be a treat for Owen is buying some good quality meat from here, because I never allow him to buy the expensive meat. I don't know now.
ใช่
Cheese? How am I?
เอาชีส
My our cheese. Right, let's go eat first. Delicious cake. Wow. Do we want to sit outside? Do we ever? Wow. I sat there with Adeline before.
Yeah.
Here? Or right in the sun? Or too busy there? I like it more here. Here?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like here.
I'm not the chef.
Thank you. Do you like it here?
Absolutely. Yes.
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Very busy today because it is a summery Friday. I'm in the shade. Cheers. Happy birthday.
Thank you. You want to know my
Age?
my age?
Of course we do. How old are you?
Can you guess?
Leave it in the comments. 43. So Owen's got his steak, rare. The server double checked that we did actually mean rare and not medium rare. And I have mushroom linguine. Not usually a fan of mushrooms, but I am a big fan of linguine. So I'll make it work.
It's mine. Stick.
Okay. Trying a mushroom on my first bite.
Good.
It's still yummy.
Okay, my turn now. อิ่มแล้วเดินได้
In Lao, we had a lovely lunch.
There are lots of folk.
Yeah.
You sure? Baby?
Yeah. Now we've got a bit of time before we collect Jasper to stroll through the grounds of Wellington Farm Shop. Look at this view. That's an amazing view.ป่ะ
ซื้อต้นไม้
อะไรนะคะ
ซื้อต้นไม้
ไม่เข้าใจ
to buy plant.
So would you rather have a plant or some meat?
I go to with plant.
Okay. So that's where we just were. What a scenic, beautiful spot for lunch. Definitely a bit of a change coming here together rather than with little Adeline. Oh, that looks lovely. darling Sauceby here.
Oh, that would be amazing.
How have they done their labels? Yeah, legally. To code. Well done. We're not fussy, we're particular. We're going to be a bit early for Jasper.
Yeah.
I'm in the middle.
The one?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that big rock.
With the rock.
Yeah. Purple one's here.
No.
What do you mean, no? Oh no, I've ruined your birthday. Well, there's no Scottish Highland cow now. I think you ate it, babe.
Alright, man.
Is it?
Hi. No. This is my birthday. I can't buy you. Oh, a cow! Hello! Look at the head! Hello!
Babe,
Yeah.
is it real?
Yes! How are you?
Oh my goodness.
Coming here. I come to visit you. Coming here.
Hey cow, you're so cute. We were worried we ate you. Oh, thanks for coming to see us. Is it because we were talking about love?
He said, I listened to you a long time ago.
I'm so bored of what you're talking about. I had to come out to shut you up. No,
Come on.
it is very much a UK cow, so it would say moo. Show us your horns again, big guy. Not you.
What are you doing? Really long.
Yeah, beautiful. Come and see us again. Have you found something yummy to eat? Fair dues. You get yours.
What is doing?
Hey. That's it, it's warm, isn't it? Babe, be careful. Oh my goodness. Look at you, you beauty.
Come on, this way.
Not too close.
Come.
I thought it was a big cuddly toy. A model. Hello. You're so lovely. Okay, now you're scared. You're gorgeous. Babe, are you trying to touch its horns?
Yeah, I touched already.
For good luck, right? I'd love to stroke your face. Oh, having a good scratch. Look at those horns, they're incredible.
You're back now.
Oh, look at you. You're thinking, why is she filming me? Babe, don't annoy her. You're big. Thanks for having us round your house. I admire the size of your bottom. There you go. Have I made up for it, not having any plants? Is this back to the best birthday ever? Let's go get Jazzy boy. Bye, tiny cow babe. Surprise.
Last time.
No, I think we saw it. It never came that close, and it was really far back, and I think it was full size.
Oh no.
This one's young. So cute. Bit sleepy. Probably been having a nap. Just like Adeline.